Cora. I pray you are positive, humble, and kind. I pray you are respectful and always smile. Yes, what do you think? Look at the next page. And sniffs around for vegetables to eat. Yeah, what do you think? You feel the bunny?
Cute. She's pretty cute. Is she scary? Is she so small? And you girls were little. You want to hold her? Okay, we gotta sit down, Carla.
What'd you say, Alice? What'd you say? You want to hold her?
Yeah. Okay, please. I think she might be hungry. Should we give it back to Mama? Hey, Allie, are you looking? Can you picture Alice? Oh, she's go. There's a little bit. There's a little bit of a thing.
Here they come. Here they oh.
No.
Oh, she's having a bad during that.
Say cheese. Say cheese. Right.
Hey, Allie, don't put her on the table. Oh, get her away from the table. Hey. Would you like to take the laptop home? Thank you. I love you. Make your wish and blow out the candles. Good job. Go to the next one.
Blow her away.
One more time.
Oh, good job.
One more time. Good job. Oh, Mommy's struggling.
Who wrapped that? Oh my gosh. Is that from Santa?
No, from Kathleen. Besides, that's probably good.
Alice.
Alice, go with Papa.
What's Alice's color?
You're gonna get the yellow and green. That's her yarn.
We're gonna follow it.
Hey, go, Alice. Run around the thingy.
Post. Run around this way.
Go do this.
Alice, walk to him.
Good job.
Go, Allie.
Wait, way to go, man. You made this one hard.
Back on the tree. Okay, ready to go again? Okay, follow the yellow, the purple yarn.
Yeah.
Excited about that, aren't you? Starburst. Let's see what else you got. Oh my goodness. Cool. That is cool. Let me see. You won't ever see.
Did you find one?
Yes, I found a pink one.
Yay! Look, Alice, what'd you find?
I found yellow.
Yay!
If you don't have to change it yourself.
Oh!
Yes. Good job, Alice. Oh, look at her. Oh, she's gonna talk to you now. Talk to her.
Joey, say something.
Hi, Cora. Hi, Cora. You got the.
Good. Watch the TV. Watch sports. Very good. Sports. Haha!
Alright, y'all ready? We're good, coach. Ella, watch the ball. Good job. Go ahead. Good job. There we go.
He kind of does it on the slide. He kind of like this. Happy birthday, dear old people. Happy birthday to you. And anniversary.
You wish for us to be your neighbors.
Yay!
Just do it. Okay.
Wonderful, wonderful.
So we're gonna just dance. Come on, Dad. Stay right by Dad.
Fly, Cora, fly. Fly, Cora. At a fun little rest stop in the random middle of nowhere, Texas, Cora has a poopy diaper. Howdy, y'all. We're in Texas, and Cora had a poopy diaper, and so we're doing some sightseeing. Hi, baby. There's a trash can. It's beautiful, and there's the beautiful highway, and that there's an RV. All right, let's get out of here. Happy Halloween, Cora.
Is it your first Halloween?
Happy Halloween.
Is it your first
What are you? A pumpkin?
pumpkin mummy?
Boo. What's that say? What?
Beautiful like my mummy.
Beautiful like my mummy. Are you her mummy?
And her mummy. He's fine.
Whatever.
It's not you.
What do you make of this?
Cora.
Cora. Cora.
Sweet cousin. Sweet cousin. Let's see her. Alice. You say Alice?
Diaper's looking real big in the front.
You say Alice?
Uh-oh.
They've been playing hard since.
Are you gonna have energy for church tonight or what?
I bet they will somehow.
Yeah. It's usually we go to the side.
Good job, Cora.
Look it up on YouTube.
You're so cute.
All right.
Kick it. Good job, Cora. Let's go again. Kick it. Good job. Wanna kick it? Kick it. Good job.
Here you go. Ready? Cora.
Okay, you wanna take it? Good job.
Ooh, good job.
Good job,
Yeah.
Ready?
Ooh, yay. Yeah, picture.
God.
My turn. She would not.
Hey, lip. What's up? Woo! Good job, Lily.
You Papa did.
No, Gabriel.
Damn it.
Holding ball.
You like the monkeys?
He's really
They were playing a lot?
Cora, what was your favorite animal to see at the zoo? Airplanes. That's not an animal. What was your favorite animal?
Tiger.
There you go. That was a good one. The tiger was big.
make?
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
Rawr. What sound do monkeys make?
Ooh, ooh, ah, ah.
Ooh, ooh, ah, ah.
Ooh, ooh, ah, ah.
Oh.
All right, thank you.
Everyone say hi.
Good luck.
Say hi to the video.
Hi.
Say hi, video.
Hi, video. Hi, video. Hi, video. Little piggy, look, it counts. 7.
That's all.
All right, girls, where are we going? Branson!
Yeah.
He wants the light.
Oh, and Capri is not good at sharing.
Oh, Capri. Yeah, you can do this. Capri, you take your shoes
Do you want me
off?
to get you some toys, Gabriel?
Plug it in. Okay. Good job. Straight on.
Big one.
Here, straight on. Like this. Yay! Do you like the lights? Okay. Do the tree. Trees. What? Oh, don't touch. Those are presents. Don't touch, Cora. Gally. Presents. Yeah. Okay. Mommy will do this one. Okay. Isn't it so pretty? It's a candy cane. Yeah, you want to put it back on the tree?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. The way you're walking.
I got big pee-pee.
You got a big poo-poo. Come on, Capri. We're going to go get changed.
You got some donuts? All right, you got some donuts?
Yeah.
Yeah. What'd you get?
Sprinkles?
Is it yummy? Ma'am. Okay. Can you say barbecue?
Barbecue.
Barbecue.
And Dada.
Yeah?
And Mama.
Yeah, that's mommy and daddy. What kind of food are we gonna have at Uncle Rod's?
Pizza.
No! We're gonna have barbecue.
Barbecue.
Are you excited to eat food?
Cora did it.
Cora did it. Good job. Cora did all the lights. Hey, Cora, don't get things out of the trash. I caught you red-handed. Freeze. Gonna calm down. Everybody take some deep breaths. Ready? Ready? Breathe in.
I want to see camera. Turn. Oh, God.
Share it. Okay, good job.
No.
Num num.
You can't have the whole thing. Take a bite.
She wants to feed herself.
Hello.
Hi. Ooh. That's
Capri.
so cool.
It's here.
It's on my shirt. Hey, look at Dada. Capri. Look at Dada. Ow.
All right, Cora, come on. Let's go this way. That's a light. It's just a light, Cora. There's no animals in there. That's just a light. All right, Cora, let's go through the rainforest. Come on. I think there's some snakes up here. Where do you want to put your pumpkin? Do you like that spot? What you think? You see the squirrel? You want to touch him? We can't touch the squirrel. Maybe we can do the petting zoo. We can't touch the squirrel. That's it. Say bye-bye, squirrel.
Bye.
There you go. Careful. Good job.
You guys walking together?
Yeah.
Oh, Chris, happy.
Sugar.
Cora, don't pull her arm. Don't pull her arm. Can you fix it? Righty tighty. Good.
Open.
Oh boy, your cheeks really show up on camera. Jeez.
Capri, say hi. Hi, can you say love you? You know what? The ground is kind of dirty.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you say hi
to the camera.
Say hi.
Grandma.
Hi.
Hi.
Say love you.
Grandma.
Love you.
Cora, what movie are we watching?
Encanto.
Encanto. What's your favorite movie?
Encanto.
Encanto.
Do you like Encanto more than Moana?
Yeah.
Encanto more than
Whoa.
Moana. Wow.
Capri, go in the living room. Thank you.
On the TV. Well, we just come up.
Cora, don't touch the Fritos. Fritos. What are you doing? What are you doing? Get away from me, you little gremlin. You want chili?
Yeah.
Okay, well we can go get some chili. Maybe Mommy will help us get some chili. Capri, can we chili?
Cheese.
Cutie. Say love you. Mwah. Oh. What are you doing?
No, you gotta cut that up, girly. Capri, we're gonna open presents. You're gonna go get some presents.
Yeah, sorry, that was good.
Here, give this to Mimi Doris too. Thank you. Here, Capri, your present's gonna be by Mama.
Who's is that one for?
Me.
You?
Paper? See, Alice.
Oh my gosh. Gabriel. And these little bins are always so nice. He's going somewhere.
We're going somewhere.
Yeah. Capri, say cheese. This is a fun cheese.
Put your head up there by Cora.
Oh. Capri, you want to lay down with him?
You don't do things gently.
Capri, you want to lay down? Lay down next to Alice.
Here, slide right.
She said, yeah.
Yeah, she.
Lay down.
Good, Capri. Good, Capri. Oh. Girl, say cheese.
Now get a picture, right?
Wait, Gabe. Peekaboo. Okay. 1, chair. Get the chair.
You like the airplane, Cora? Do you love airplanes? Is it flying high? You want to ride it? I don't think you... The video of the kids.
Which one?
Did you buckle Minnie Mouse in there?
Yeah.
Where's she going to go?
I'm going to take care.
Oh, you're going to take her to daycare? Oh, you buckled her in there. Good job.
'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the house, not a creature was stirring, not even a Capri. And he sprinkled special Christmas magic onto the tree.
I did.
He had, okay. Merry Christmas.
Let me squeeze it. You want? Here you go. You're welcome. Morning, girls. Good morning. Merry Christmas.
It's Christmas.
Good morning. Let me turn the sound machines off. Good morning. Hi. Cora, can you say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho.
Ho, ho.
Oh, good job.
See what's under the Christmas tree. Go, go, go. Go, Capri.
Oh, okay, wait. Okay, Cora, your presents?
Do you want to start opening them? Yeah, Capri, good job. What's this?
Open it.
Oh, Capri, you got a toy. Look. See, isn't it so good? What's it?
Triangle.
What is it?
Look at it. What is it?
Airplane.
Is it an airplane?
Yeah.
Another present?
5.
Yeah, you have 5 presents. Good job.
That was.
You're going to open that one now? Hey, Capri. Capri, you
open a
want to open
present.
this one? Good job. Whoa. Do you like it?
What'd you get, Cora?
Cars.
Wow.
Get cars.
Is that a puzzle with cars? Puzzles with an airplane? Look at that. Look how cool those puzzles. Open them after we open some of our other presents. Capri.
Oh, airplane.
You want
Oh, the big one. Ooh. What is it?
Ooh.
Penguin.
Whoa.
Did it make those earrings?
Ooh. Wait, earrings?
You got sticker earrings.
You're too young for earrings.
Yeah.
I don't have, Dada doesn't have earrings.
Wow. Okay. Do you have one more present, Cora? Do you want to open up this present?
Capri, you're doing it. Good job.
I got food.
Yeah, those are connectors. Oh,
It's
It's flying. Where are they going? Uh-oh. Don't. Gentle Capri. Cora, what was your favorite part of Christmas?
Open present.
Open presents! Capri, what was your favorite part of Christmas?
Yeah.
That's a good answer.
you guys want to sing Happy Birthday to Jesus?
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jesus. Happy birthday to you. Again?
Happy birthday, Jesus. Jesus. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas! What about you, Capri? Can you say Merry Christmas?
You say Merry Christmas.
Christmas.
Did you have fun at Meemaw's last night?
Yeah.
What'd you get at Mima's?
Food.
Food. You did go. Did you get any presents too?
Yeah.
What about this morning? Did you get presents this morning? Yeah. What presents did you get this morning?
Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse. Good. You got that from Mima's last night. Did you get an airplane this morning?
Yeah.
All right, girls. Say bye. Merry Christmas.
Bye.
Say bye. Merry Christmas.
Bye.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Capri, say bye. Merry Christmas.
Bye. Later.
More time?
Later.
Alrighty. Beautiful.
Look at he's going right for us. Oh my god.